guys, welcome to my next review. Today we will be reviewing the beauty which I'm already sitting in, and I'm talking about F13 BMW M6. So let's go. As I already said to you guys, we are reviewing this beast M6 F13. Right now I was just trying the sound of new mic, and there is a windy weather, to be honest, windy as hell. So the sound still seems really decent. This M6 was made in 2012. That was the first year which these cars were in production. It was from year 2012 till 2019. The F13 with these cars means it's a coupe version with only 2 doors, not Grand Coupe with 4 doors, it's only with 2 doors. And I think F11 were cabrios, but I'm not really sure to be honest. As we already seen the car, you can tell it's a completely stock one. Exhaust as well. The sound is still pretty decent, I would say. It's V8 engine, so sound in the higher RPMs is very great, as you will hear and maybe already heard from the first minute of the video. Also, next thing which I didn't mention but you already see, there is a carbon rooftop, so no sunroof, which is really great. The roof brings down some kilos, so the center of the weight is lower. Car's performance is really better in the curves and everything. As we can see, there are 20-inch wheels on the car, original BMW. They are sitting there perfectly, it's just beautiful. These black wheels on the black car, the car looks really great. If we want to speak about the brake system, in the front we have 400mm 6-piston fixed aluminum calipers, and rear system or rear brakes we have 396mm single piston floating calipers. And those brakes are really important since the car weighs at around 1.9 ton, so at around 2 tons, which is really heavy for a sports car. But if we compare it to nowadays car or modern car, I think it's not really that bad, since new M5 weighs almost 2.5 ton. So this is actually lightweight for the new M5. Now let's pop the hood and check the V8 which is powering this car. So let's go. We will check the interior in a minute. Now let's check it. Yeah, V8 S63 B44 engine, which comes from the N63 B44. This engine comes from the engine N63, which were, for example, in the SUV from BMW X6. So this S63 engine makes it around 560 horsepower or 412 kilowatts and at around 680 Newton meters. As we can see, it's a twin turbo V8. There is one turbo and there is second one in the middle of the engine. We will speak about the problems with the turbos in the middle of the engine in a minute, so wait for that. There are air intakes and that's about it. I don't know what else we can see, since there is a cover with the M emblem. Yeah, it's a little dirty, sorry for that. I didn't have much time to clean it. This engine also makes the M6 in part of a group, let's say, of the cars with not really best reputation, since, as we saw, there are turbos right in the middle of the engine. That's the probably hottest area in the engine bay. There could be problems with oil, for example. Oil evaporates through the turbos, or problems with turbos as well, because the heat may cause some problems when you are not really good to the car. This our specific car is no exception, since it has only, let's say not only, because it's M series, it has around 114,000 kilometers, and there is second engine in the car from like 70,000 kilometers, so for quite a while. Let's say. Let's check the interior quickly. It's a little bit dirty, sorry guys, but I didn't have much time, to be honest, to clean it. As we can see, there is a, I don't know to be exact, I think it's champagne called, so let's say champagne. It's a champagne color with black and carbon interior design, which is really beautiful, as we can see. I really love it, since it's not really that big of a sports car. Yes, it is, don't get me wrong, it still has almost 600 horsepower and it's crazily fast, but it's more of a luxurious limousine, or not limousine but coupe, and yeah, it's a really beautiful interior. Let's check the back seats as well. To be honest, I am at around 180 centimeters tall, which is for US public, I would say 5'10", and there is around this much legroom behind me, so not really much. For some kids maybe, but tall man, not chance, and I would say not really comfortable drive for the guy who is my size, I would say. So that's about that. The roof is not really that high, to be honest, as well, so yeah, more of a for a jacket or everything which is not really human related. I would say it's more of a second trunk. Let's check the trunk, as I spoke about it, since you can see it, but it's not really probably that important with the M6, since you are not probably buying the car for its trunk. I don't know guys how well you can see it, but it's really go far to the car, and there is a ski bag. Really bigger trunk than I thought. Of course, American car, so yeah. I think I said probably everything which needs to be said. We see exterior, interior, we talked about the engine, and right now we are going to drive the car. So let's go. This is guys more of a cardio than making a YouTube video. I always run 300 meters, then back to the car, put the phone down, start a video, then run towards the car, drive by, run to the phone, pick up the phone, run to the car. Crazy. There will be some bumpy roads guys, so you'll see how the car is performing on the bumpy roads in a comfortable mode. You can probably hear it, maybe. I have microphone on, so maybe not, but the car is really not that bad. It's not really like 7 Series, but I would say for a daily driver it will do. When you are in comfortable mode. If the suspension is tougher, I would say in the sport or sport plus mode, it's not really that comfortable on these bumpy roads, but I would say in the comfortable mode you are just enjoying this view and you are happy. Let's go. In the first gear we are going 20, so let's go. And we are here. So as you can guys see, really quick car. I will, so you can hear just the downshifting here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah. Let's put the window up. Yeah, as you can may see, the left front brake pad, not brake pad, brake caliper is not really in best shape, so it's doing this with the steering wheel. Let's put 4 in there. Car is driving like I can feel it really heavy on the steering wheel, those calipers, or especially the left one. So to the M6, my opinion, to be honest, when I'm driving it, it's the car is really, let's say, underhyped. Yeah, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. The car is really fast. The performance is really great. It's on the heavier side, but still the brakes are working really well. And I would say for the cash, you can probably get it in US. It's not really that bad car. I think the reliability of the car is not really best, of course we know it, but if you choose right car with right ex-owner who treat it little bit at least well, I think you can get over it if you are a normal driver, because if you let the car cool down after you drive, if you warm the car before you drive it as hell, you know, and stuff like that, I think the engines may work for a few thousand miles. a couple tens of thousands, maybe even. I saw the cars with 200,000-300,000 kilometers, so it could be great car if you are a great owner to it. If you are a bad owner, you drive it like hell when the car is still cold and stuff like that, you will probably pay a lot of money, since the engine will not be there for you. I would say it like this. To the transmission, guys, because I forgot it. There is I think there is none maybe with manual. So there should be probably every car with 7-speed automatic gearbox, which you can find in all the M series from these years, such as M3, M4, M5, and cars like this. I almost forgot, guys. We have to check this car specific is with full equipment, as we can see, the holding in your lane, the braking. I hate this button, to be honest, because it breaks when you are close to someone, when you want to overtake them, or etc, etc. Oh no, there is holding in the line. There is probably if you want to switch the lanes and do not drive, night vision and head-up display. So yeah, we can see there is a camera. There we have everything like traction, suspension button, steering wheel if it's, you know, tough or easier, camera, parking sensors. Yeah, so that's it, that's the car. So guys, that would be it. I hope I've said everything, not really everything, you know, I didn't get down to the bottom of the car, but I think I just said the basic stuff, which is the most important. And if you have anything that you would love or like to tell me or help me with things that I really need to work on, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching, and next week would be probably car eyes review. I'm getting used to it, so I hope the video with car eyes would be even better than this one. Thank you very much guys, and see you with the new video. Bye. I don't even have a mic, guys. I just parked the car. I need to put cover on it, but look at it. It's crazily beautiful. I love the car. When I'm driving, I love it.